Welcome to FM Corner. I'm Danny Koontz. I'm the Director of Relationship Management for Windy City Equipment. Welcome back. Today, part 2 of what does success look like. Last week, we spoke about success, kind of depending on where you are in your career, and we asked some questions that you kind of answer for yourself, and it helps gauge where are you and where have you been during your career to determine has it been successful or not. And it depends on the individual. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about people in their career. Are they in the prime? Are they on the backside of it? What's important? What are some other pieces of that help determine whether you were successful or not? Success looks like different things to different people. So everybody isn't judged the same. You could have had a career that didn't make a whole lot of money, but you absolutely were one of the happiest people on earth because you loved what you did. Or you had a job that made a lot of money and it was able for you to support your family and provide them with things that you never thought you could. Maybe that's how you view success. Maybe it's a little bit of both. You determine that. Some of the items that can help you make that decision, how about the people that you met who've influenced your life through your career? Who are those people? Who are your mentors? Who are the people that you have worked for or worked alongside who have helped influence and make you a better person, help drive you to the success that you've got, and has also helped provide growth for you as a person and as a leader as well. How about people you met who became lifelong friends? It's different maybe than how they influenced your wife. They're just friends. They're good people that you have met and you have talked to, and your friends, and they add value to your life and to your career. How about upward movement in your career? Did you learn? Did you take on a new challenge? Was it successful? Did you make it work? Did you keep moving? Or did you stop? This is where I'm going to be and I'm good with that. Or did you keep trying? Or I want to take on something new. I want to add something to my plate. I want to learn something new today. How about the respect you gained from your peers and from your team? Do you have that? Have you always had it? Did you have to work for it? Do you have it today? Do you have respect from your peers and from your team? What's the value you brought to the companies you work for? And it can be different depending on the company. What'd you do that brought value? Think about that. What are the goals you set for yourself? Did you achieve them? Achieve most of them? What'd you do? How do you feel when it's done? I'll give you 4 items that help me determine my own success in my career. First one was team of people that went to work for me have all went on to have outstanding careers. Most of them are in positions of leadership, and they've all been very successful in what they've done. That makes me very proud. I achieved an award from RFMA, which is the Restaurant Facility Managers Association, MVP award for extraordinary volunteer service. Extremely, extremely proud and happy of that award. 10 years after leaving the company I'd worked for 35 years, Ruby Tuesday, half a dozen times each year I get a call from somebody who used to work for Ruby Tuesday who wants to ask me a facility question. You don't know how good that makes a person feel. It's 10 years later and hey, oh, by the way, I'm buying a restaurant and I got a couple of questions. Or I'm thinking about buying a range. I want to know what you think about what's good. That's great. That means people trust you. And fourth, I learned a job from scratch with no experience at all and made it a career for 35 years. Those are the things that I look at as successful. I was able to take care of my family and work and have a great time doing it. So no matter what, if you enjoyed it, if you had fun, if you met new people, if you took on new challenges that were put your way, and you delivered the very best you can every single time, you had or are having an extremely successful career. That's it for today. Thank you very much for listening. We'll be back next week.